Well, some of us got some much beneficial rain over part of the weekend, and Sunday felt like September, but we're heating things back up, and we do have a chance of more thunder to end the week. So it was feast or famine, as is often the case with summer rainfall, but especially when we're in a drought pattern. But basically, these storms Saturday evening started right on top of downtown Minneapolis in a swath right cutting through the southeast metro, through St. Paul and into the southeastern suburbs especially, where St. Paul Park saw over 4 inches of rain. Hastings picked up about 2 to 3 inches as well. And there's another bullseye out around Morton and Franklin here in southern Renville County. Same area that got nailed about a month ago. Remember in early May that helped cause the Mississippi and Minnesota rivers to go back up again? Unfortunately, the bulk of this rain, as you can see, these are the rain estimates from Saturday, were south of that main drought area we have here in east central Minnesota, including the northern half of the metro. Really got almost nothing out of the Saturday rainfall. But behind it, we saw this blast of unusually cool air for this season. Pretty normal June cool air otherwise, but we haven't seen much of this. Look at the temperatures early Sunday. Frosty for some spots, 32 in Embarrass. We're back to near normal temperatures today, actually above normal to the north. But yeah, we struggled to hit 70 even yesterday. 71 at MSP, 60s for a lot of places in northern Minnesota, and we're headed back up here into a hotter territory. Now that upper level low, which is just a pool of cold air aloft that brought the temperatures down for the weekend, also creating a little bit of instability. So that's why we have a few clouds in eastern Minnesota and especially in Wisconsin, and a couple of very isolated showers, because when you have this cold air aloft, you heat things up with that strong June sunshine. You can see clouds and a couple of showers to pop. Now that cool air will slide off to the south and east, but it did help to push the heat dome at least to the west. We still have that upper level high centered over Montana and western Canada again right now, and still kind of disconnected from this upper level ridge. In between, we've got this upper level low over the Great Lakes and then another one in the southwest. The pattern largely stays the same, but we're gonna be back near 80 today. That's a couple degrees above normal already, but heating up even more here, especially Wednesday, Thursday looks to be the peak this week. Upper 80s to around 90 degrees for southern Minnesota, including the Twin Cities. But it is going to be a drier heat. We're talking about dew points that are mostly going to stay in the 50s. That will change though. Moisture is going to be marching north here by the end of the week, late Thursday into Friday, which is a good thing because that means the next disturbance coming through, mid-level disturbance, little wave in the atmosphere, has some moisture to take advantage of. And that does mean the next chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Looks like late Thursday into the eastern Dakotas, western Minnesota into the overnight, and then Friday redeveloping here. Looks like midday into the afternoon hours. A pretty good bet of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So fingers crossed, this looks like it could be a more widespread event for some moisture in Minnesota. Hard to tell exactly how much we'll get. It will be still kind of spotty in nature. And that will also bring our temperatures temporarily down too here Friday and Saturday with the increased cloud cover. Should clear out Saturday afternoon, and then we're heating back up. This is next week. This is a blend of the models, looking at an average of the models essentially. We're back near 90 next week. So enjoy these brief cool breaks. Today, still very comfortable. Tomorrow, it'll be warming up, but still very dry air in place. Wednesday, Thursday, though, it does get warm. Again, dew point's not so bad yet, but I think by especially Friday morning, but even Thursday afternoon in western Minnesota, you're going to notice those muggier dew points that'll lead to that decent shot, our best chance of the next 7 days for sure, of some thunderstorms on Friday. And then, again, mostly pushing that out of here in time for the weekend. We could have a lingering shower early Saturday, otherwise sunshine in the afternoon, and then heating back up.